Hey guys, so today we are going to see how we can have different states on 3D objects. This system can be useful, for instance, if you wanted to add a onCollect script, alright, you could use this. Or here we are just changing the colors on mouse press or on hover. So let's see how it's set up in the scene before diving into the code. So as you can see here, we have 3 cubes, 1, 2 and 3. Each cube has a box collider, or any collider for that matter. And then we've got a color change script. This would be your script that you want the functions to be called on. And then we've got the mouse interaction script that sits on top of the object. This essentially, as you can see, uses events and actions to allow you to link up and hook up other methods. So for instance, here on hover, I set the hover color. So color change that set hover color, as you can see. And so on mouse exit, on mouse down and on mouse up. And that's about it for the actual scene setup. Oh, and here is the color manager. This is what dictates the color states that we have. So here is the mouse interaction script. As you can see here, we have 4 variables of type unity event, each one for each state. For instance, on hover, on mouse exit, on mouse down and on mouse up. And the unity event allows you to bind functions call or method calls right in the Unity editor, such like we've seen earlier on. Next script is the color change. So as you can see here, we have only 3 methods that we are calling: set normal color, set on down color, and set hover color, which essentially just gets the current material instance and sets its color to whichever one we have set. And here's the color manager. It's just a singleton pattern with 3 variables for the different colors. So if you follow the tutorial, then you should be able to see these 3 cubes change color on different mouse states. And again, this system is quite easy to implement, but it can actually be quite powerful. So for instance, you could have a door, alright, so when you click on it, instead of changing the color, it calls a method to open the door. Or perhaps if you have many items that you want to collect, then again you can just hook it up to this script. Or if you just want to try it, just make this tutorial and yeah, it should work. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've liked this video, then be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and also do let me know in the comments section down below what you want me to cover on next. And yeah, on this note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.